So the JSE, the New York stock market, and the crypto market have been showing us flames as retail investors. But a lot of people are panicking, they don't know what to do. And with 2023 around the corner, people are panicking. Is 2023 going to be a good year for us? Are we going to see another market crash as well? What the hell is going on? And that's the question every single individual is asking. So in today's video, guys, I'm going to be talking about how am I dealing with the JSE market, with this market crash, how am I dealing with the international market, more specifically dealing with the New York stock market, my investment there, my shares there, how am I dealing with it as they're impacted as well by the market crashes, as well as crypto. What's my thinking around the fall of crypto? Is this over for crypto? Is crypto a market to leave and never enter in again? Those are basically my topic and things I'm going to be covering on today's video. If you're new to my channel, guys, please do consider hitting the like button, hitting the subscribe button as well. Leave me a comment, tell me what you think about today's video. But not wasting any time, guys, let's get into today's video. Hello official millionaires and billionaires, welcome to the insightful and informative video right here on my YouTube channel. For those who are new to my channel, my name is Ivan Sambo. I'm your guy on YouTube that simplifies the world of investing, saving, budgeting, or even using your money wisely within the South African context, making things South Africanized so everyone can understand how to use their money wisely. As always, guys, none of my video constitute as financial advice, but only for educational purposes. Today we're talking about how am I, as Ivan Sambo, dealing with the market crashes, the panic that everyone is having. Because in 2021, we had a good run in the market. The JSE was showing us beautiful colors. Everything was green, everything was blue. And we're enjoying the crypto market, we're enjoying the New York stock market. But this year, it was blood, it was red everywhere. Crypto, it was a pandemic there. People have lost millions and millions and thousands and even billions in crypto. So I'm covering all those three topics on today's video, and I'm simplifying them from my point of view and trying to say how my thinking process around that. So let's start first in the JSE. So those of you know me, I'm a big fan of the JSE. And for the past few years, I've been in the JSE, like 4 years I've been in the JSE, I've been seeing good results. This year has been my worst year in the JSE, worse than 2020 when the pandemic first hit. Literally, 2022 has seen me bleed in the JSE. But I'm going to tell you, why am I still buying every single month shares in the JSE? My thinking process in the JSE right now, with everything happening, with the Ukraine issue, the price of oil, inflation, repo rates always going up and everything, is one. My stocks and the companies I own in the JSE are impacted and they're falling because of the global politics and economic things that are happening. It's not because of their own operation. It's not because the CEO of the company has done a mistake. It's not because our production is low. It's not because the workers are striking. It is not because of those reasons that are within the company, what is called macro and micro economy. It is because of something outside of them. So what I've been doing, I have been keeping consistently buying the amounts of share I've been buying since last year. Every single month, I have been using the same strategy. It did not change. I see this market crisis in the JSE as a Black Friday, basically, for me to get my shares at a discount while they're still being impacted by the global markets. And I'm looking at how the companies are tackling this global market issues, the global market issues, and how they're dealing with it. I'm seeing they're trying their best to avoid and shield themselves from them. But I'm also going back to doing research on those companies. How are they dealing with the global crisis that's happening? How are they dealing with the price of oil always increasing? How are they dealing with the interest rates increasing? How are they managing their debts in this time? Are they taking more debt to fund their operation? What are they doing? Because I cannot ignore that the global market, the global market has an impact on them as a company. So I've been looking into that, and I'm seeing that my companies are doing well in managing that, and as I am keeping on buying more shares of the specific companies, my thing that, okay, it will recover. The second the global market try to recover and bounce back, my companies I have will give me good performance. So that has been my thinking process around the JSE. So I'm not selling anything in the JSE. I'm not panicking and stopping buying more shares. I am keeping the strategy I've been having for a while, and I'm still buying consistently the same way I've been doing. Yes, I'm seeing raids. Afrimat is in raid. Renergy is not doing well as well. I think there are a few companies. I think Afrimat, no, not Afrimat. Afrimat also raid. Which companies I think? I think African Rainbow Capital by Mutsepe has been doing very well, and some few other companies have been doing very well in my share portfolio. But in general, I am happy with those companies. I don't see them falling that deep, and I think they will recover very soon according to the strategy I am following and tracking how are they dealing with the global crisis that is happening. So that's my strategy in the JSE. I'm not selling anything. I am not buying anything extra. I'm not adding. I'm not willing to add a new company. I am keeping the companies I have and I'm buying more shares of them because I'm taking the at discount right now. I'm not adding any new company. It was hard for me to add a new company in the JSE and fully understanding and doing research and understanding it now with the basically with the flood of information that's out there, because the global pandemic and economists, writers, and everyone are now panicking because the global economy, so they're properly giving us the numbers we need to have. So I'm not willing to add any new company. I'm sticking with the ones I have. Now let's go to the New York stock market. In terms of the New York stock market, I have been different how I'm doing things there. I have been looking to small caps company. I've been looking to small companies. I have the companies like the Disney's, the Neos, the companies I've always bought and I always had in the New York stock markets. I'm keeping them. Sometimes some other months I wouldn't buy more shares of those companies. So I'm a little bit conservative. Typical companies, your big ones in the New York stock market that are already in my portfolio. Remember, I'm not adding new companies that are big. So those who are already big, who are in my New York stock market portfolio, I am keeping them as they are. But one thing I have been doing in the New York stock market is that I have been buying more of small caps companies, and they've been performing very well. I bought one by mistake, and like, okay, I've been following you, I'm in my watch list for a while. Let me add you, and I added it. And I started to buy more and more and more of small cap companies that are in the renewable energy field, that are in the cannabis field, and I've been buying more into that. And with the new trade and trade agreement signed around renewable energies, those companies have been doing well. And with the American society starting to move into welcoming more of renewable energy thinking processes and companies and be more eco-friendly, those companies have been doing well for me in the New York stock market, and they've been keeping my portfolio in a little bit of a blue. I can't say more blue, but they've been keeping me in the blue. So I've been investing more heavily in renewable energy companies, in cannabis companies. For those who don't know, I'm loving more into in the wheat sector. I am interested there, so I'm also buying more companies in that side. And with the more and more states in America, more a debate happening around a decriminalization of weed, legislative around making weed more accessible for people in America, I'm seeing companies that are in that field doing well for me. So those are been my strategies around the New York stock markets. As the big companies that I've been always telling, your Disney's, your Microsoft, your Meta has not been doing well for a while. All those companies that I have not been buying more shares of them. I've been more buying once in a while. I think I've been extra back buying them, but I've been keeping the shares that I've been having for a while, not buying too much, but I've been adding more of small companies in the renewable energies field as well as the weed cannabis field as well. So that has been my thinking strategy in the New York stock market, and it seems to be working for me right now. Maybe yourself, you want to find a new sector that's still seeing a little bit development in the international space, and you think you will be interested into it. Do that, do you. So that is what I'm doing in the New York stock market. But in terms of the crypto market, guys, I don't want to lie. I sold some few coins. And not even few. I think I cut in June. I think I cut around 25% of my crypto. I sold them. and I think in October again I sold like 5% of my crypto. I haven't bought any, and I've been seeing blood. I have been losing money. No one's business in the crypto space. I don't want to lie to you guys. I do not want to lie. I have been bleeding them. But I invested there willing. Remember, for those who have been following for a while, my YouTube channel, they know I entered the crypto space saying to you guys, I am willing to lose whatever I put in there. If I put 100 rand, I'm willing to lose that entire 100 rand, because I understand the crypto space is a space that is very versatile, very risky. And if I go in there, have a level of risk you're willing to, I'm willing to lose 50% of that money that you're putting in. And the second you've reached, I've lost 50% now, you know it's time for you to leave that space. I've always said that. And for me, I always said 100% is okay. So I've been holding my crypto wallet for a while now. I haven't bought any new coin. I'm keeping my ADA. I'm keeping my my Cardano, which is ADA as well. I'm keeping my Ethereum. I'm keeping my Bitcoin. I'm keeping my Polkadot. I'm keeping all the coins I've had. I am keeping them. I didn't have a lot of coins. I'm not sure how many coins. I had around 12 coins because I sold some that I said in the beginning. At the beginning I had around 18 coins, but I'm thinking I'm selling 12 coins right now, and I'm not willing to sell currently. I'm happy with those coins, and I think they will recover soon because I'm invested in their usability, in their use case. And I think in the long run they will recover, especially Bitcoin, Cardano, Ethereum, as well as Polkadot. There's very good use cases for them, so I'm keeping them. I am not selling them anytime soon, but I'm not buying more this year. And that's my thinking process around crypto right now, guys. I don't want to lie to you guys. It is blood in crypto. I know people say, okay, but it's blood, you can buy those things at discount. I think I have a better use of my money than to put it on crypto right now. I'm just being honest. I have better use of my money than crypto right now. So I can say yes, a discount, for example, but I believe in the use case of Cardano. I believe in the use case of Ethereum. I believe in the use case of Bitcoin, but I'm not willing to put in money right now in those fields. That's me being genuinely honest. I'm not trying to lie. I've never lied to you guys. If I make a mistake, at least I will come here and say, okay, this was a mistake for me, from my point of view. So that basically is it around my crypto markets. Let me just drink water, guys. My mouth starting to become dry. That's it in terms of how I am treating the crypto market. But I know 2023 is not going to be nice as well. I don't want to, one thing, guys, 2023 is not going to be a recovery stage. Don't go in there being all, yes, 2023 got to do well. I think I'll keep on this momentum and this trend. Was saying, sorry for that, guys. I think the trend we're seeing right now is gonna continue to half of 2023 as well. I don't know about June 2023 going upwards. You may see a recovery at that stage, but according to what I'm reading, what I'm saying, we can expect this market crash to continue half of 2023 as well. So basically that's my thinking process around the market, guys, and how we are investing. Let me know in the comment section what you want me to cover next, what you want me to create more content around. But as always, guys, please ensure you hit like button, hit the subscribe button, and let me know what you think about today's video. As always, I am Ivan Sambo, your student investor, and thank you so much for watching.